Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by laying out the essentials: Jetson Nano board, a flashed micro SD with jet pack image, power supply, and display peripherals. Insert the micro SD card firmly. That's where the system boots, so make sure the image verification completed successfully. Mate the heatsink and attach the short ribbon if using a camera. Once done, connect keyboard and mouse, plug HDMI to your monitor, and keep the power supply unplugged until we confirm boot mode and flash integrity. Power on the board and observe the LEDs. A steady boot pattern means the image loaded. You will be prompted to create a user and set locale, choose strong credentials, and enable automatic updates if desired. Next, connect to Ethernet or configure the USB Wi-Fi adapter in the network settings so you get internet. Make sure to enable SSH in the system settings now. Once you have SSH, you can manage the Nano remotely and transfer large files without repeatedly. With connectivity and user setup complete, install required drivers and SDKs. Use apt and the Jetpack installer to get CUDA, cuDNN, and TensorRT. Verify GPU and camera functionality by running sample demos and checking NVP model to set power modes for performance or efficiency. Monitor system stats with JTOP or Tegrapher to ensure CPU/GPU clocks and temperatures are nominal. If things fail to boot or devices aren't recognized, recheck the power supply rating, reflash the micro SD, and inspect serial console logs for kernel or driver errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.